In the Bhagavad Gita, Arjun got nervous, said to the Krishna, it seems the mind controlling is harder than to the wind. So at least we understand that it's not a paper that we round it and throw it away. It will require effort.
Hi Yash, I Anshika, I'm a businesswoman. My question is, when I face challenges and problems in my work, I lost my mind controls and I ruined the situation. Really, it's happening with every time.
Okay, and you are absolutely right, Anshika. This is the very common problem nowadays. Even people can't keep attention in one thing for a few seconds, and they are unable to control the smartest organ of these human mechanisms. So how we improve the brain so we could act better, we intelligent more, and we do many more things to handle the problems. 15,000 years ago, Adi Yogi said very unique. People asked same question to them. They said your existence capacity is much more you used effectively and highly if you are more and more consciousness. Controlling the mind is harder than to the wind. This is Arjun speaking to the Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita because he saw his relatives and kinsmen in opposite team and he lost the control. And Arjun mind is very focused and control in a Dronacharya ashram. All the Kauravas and the Pandavas are lined up and Dronacharya take a test. There is a bird on tree, took a aim on its eye. They all are lifted their arrow and Dronacharya said to Yudhishthir, what are you seeing? Yudhishthir said, I am seeing the tree, the bird and the Bhisma also. Bhisma, what are you seeing? I am seeing the tree, the bird and its eye. So, Yudhishthir, what are you seeing? I am seeing the bird and its eye. Arjun, what are you seeing? Guruji, I am seeing the eye and its eye. That's why he was a very successful leader. And human consciousness is a loads and most powerful thing, and there's also some activity you can identify: the burning desire of sex, love, friendship with the opposite gender, drugs, alcohol, fear. If you see, we are master in these things and human consciousness in these things at a higher peak. Let's see, if a boy chatting with his girl, mom are calling him for a long time but he don't hear a single word. I hope you also did experience while you watching your favorite episode or using mobile phone. I don't know you know or not, but I granted your mom know that. So in the Bhagavad Gita, Arjun got nervous and Arjun said to the Krishna, it seems the mind controlling is harder than to the wind. So at least we understand that it's not a paper that we round it and throw it away. It will require effort. It's not happen itself and automatically. And the Lord answers, Asanshya Mahabaho Mano Durnigram Chalam. Yeah, Arjun, you are absolutely right. The controlling mind is hard, but not impossible. And what is easy? Study. Graduation, post-graduation, for children's homework is easy, for parents raising children is easy. Oh my God! And wake up in early morning, leaving the bed. Oh my God! This is the very struggling thing, hard work. So I still endeavor to control my mind. For cleaning and best diagram, we need a sharp pencil. For as same as a best result need a sharp mind. So a best machine for sharp mind is a meditation. Yeah, I know in the beginning you are very focused and control in the meditation, but after sometimes you are fighting for your country, you are doing magic and you are also doing other stuff. Why you are divert? Because your mind and the world is made up of Maya. They are sajostic same time. So that's why we are divert on these things. You know about it? What? No, I don't tell you. Please tell me. The mind attracts these things. So the Arjun said to the Krishna, how do I endeavor? Lord Krishna says, the Krishna's answer, Abhyasentu kontaya vairagye che grahate. With disattachment and practice, you will gain success. Means when you are meditation, the thought will come and distract you. But when you again try to keep attention and disattach with the thoughts, means first you disattach with the thoughts, and when you're doing again and again, means practice. First disattach, second practice, third it will happen automatically, means mind comes itself. You don't need to put any efforts, but first it will require efforts, and this is the best and sovereign recipe for controlling the mind. But before to doing practice, you have to change yourself, you have to fool yourself as a meditator person, and your senses will help you. Means what are you seeing, what are you hear, what are you speaking, and what are you thinking? This is what are you. Yes, this is the common sense. And mind hates the stability, but stability is directly proportional to the intelligence. Why the short videos app are now trending? Because after 15 seconds they have a new thing, and mind love maya, material things. That's why we are waste and spend loads of time in these apps, and we are unable to stable the mind in one thing. So first we have to fool ourselves as a meditator person to stop to these things. We have to try to concentrate on one thing. So I hope you got your answer.